We're here with Courtney Cole, CEO and founder of ForaHealthyMe. We're at Collision Conference 2019. How's your show so far?
It's been fantastic, actually. We've had some really great connections, but just being part of an international technology conference from a branding perspective, from an awareness perspective, and being part of the York region booth, it's pretty fantastic.
Before we get to what you're hoping to get out of Collision, please tell us a bit about the company and our viewers.
ForaHealthyMe is a virtual care solutions provider. We're specifically focused on complex chronic and acute care issues. Our customers are primarily hospitals, healthcare institutions in the areas of musculoskeletal care, neurological, cognitive, and also cardiac. We develop solutions and enable healthcare providers, healthcare service organizations to virtually or remotely connect to their patients, whether through virtual visits or virtual rehabilitation solutions, using computer vision technology, motion tracking, data, and analytics to enable doctors to make intelligent decisions around a patient's care while the patient's away from the healthcare institution.
How do you compare to other companies that have similar services, virtual healthcare?
Well, most other companies either deliver one service or two. We've actually combined and integrated multiple capabilities. That includes the video call capabilities, applications for messaging, biometric data gathering, but also the kinematic motion tracking solution. We've gamified the whole aspect of rehabilitation. Now, a healthcare provider can remotely prescribe rehabilitation protocols to a patient. The patients would need access to one of our special 3D cameras, but also the software in which they can then interact with a virtual coach that provides specialized kinematic rehabilitation techniques for the patient to mimic. We capture that data. So the whole experience of reducing the role of a physiotherapist or an orthopedics or an occupational therapist to interact on a face-to-face basis with the patient, we've sort of eliminated a lot of that and made the process smarter and more intelligent and better for the patient.
Tell us what the benefits are for both the patient as well as the medical professional community.
From the medical professional's perspective, the idea of, from a cost perspective, being able to remotely prescribe rehabilitation protocols. Now the patient doesn't need to travel to the rehab facility for care anymore. They can actually receive care at home. So they're saving on transportation, they're saving on travel, but also from a quality of life and patient satisfaction perspective.
And they may also have a physical problem getting to the facility, like a hospital.
Mobility for a patient with spinal cord injury, or if they've just had a hip or knee replacement, getting around is a problem. So we've sort of made that process a lot easier. From the medical provider's perspective, the ability to now look at real-time data around functional capability and to do comparative analysis with other patients who may be of the same demographic profile, and being able to look at issues around diet and nutrition and the patient's mental health state all in one dashboard gives the provider a more comprehensive picture of what's happening with the patient while the patient's away from the treatment facility.
Excellent. You're here at the York Link Pavilion. How's it been here at Collision, and who are the kind of people that you're meeting with?
That's been fantastic. We're actually quite honored to be part of the York region booth. 3 years ago, I was still sitting at my kitchen table working, trying to build my company, and today we're honored to be a part of this fantastic booth, but also to be considered as an innovative company which is part of the region. The experience of the discussions, the networking opportunities have really been fantastic. While this isn't necessarily a health technology conference, but there are so many similarities. There are so many things that are taking place in AI, in machine learning, which we're also leveraging in healthcare, that it's really great to be part of that broader community of thinkers around trying to drive change in innovative areas.
Awesome, Courtney. Finally, where can we learn more about ForaHealthyMe?
Just visit our website ForaHealthyMe.com, or visit our Twitter page where we're constantly updating as for HealthyMe1. But we're open. We're constantly engaging with new partners, looking for new areas of innovation to really drive down the cost of care and to increase access to care for patients across the world.
Keep up the great work. Thank you, Courtney. Appreciate it. Thank you.
For speaking with me.
Courtney Cole, thank you very much, everybody.